Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Cancers. So these are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, Cancers, let's start with these cards here. So, we have Five of Swords in reverse, Five of Cups in reverse, and Hanged Man. So, in your circumstances, guys, Cancers, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are doing so much, maybe you are working really hard, making a lot of efforts, doing your best, trying your best, but in your circumstances, guys, you see a lot of difficulty. Things are not happening as expected. You need to really work hard if you want to hold on to the success you are having right now, or to avoid some difficulties. So you are making a lot of efforts, working with utmost concentration, using your skills and talents, and you are in some kind of confusion also. Maybe you need to decide on certain things, but today you do not have clarity, so you don't know what to choose or what will work for you. So maybe in your work situation you are having a lot of obstacles, or maybe in this relationship you don't know where things are going. You have faced a lot of trials and you have sacrificed a lot in your life for the people you love. So you are someone who is making relentless efforts, but still there are some difficulties you are seeing in your life today, guys, Cancers. A lot of difficulties, lot of obstacles you need to overcome today, and you are trying hard, you are doing your best, and but maybe for some of you it is not enough, guys. All you are doing may not be enough. So even in this relationship, Cancers, you are doing your best. Maybe you see some arguments, some misunderstanding with this person, something not happening as you have hoped for, maybe. And for some of you guys in this relationship, maybe you are trying to see clarity, trying to understand. Maybe if you are already in a connection, you may have you may get some kind of a news. It may be a good news for most of you. For most of you it may be something not so good. Maybe this person has something to tell you. They want to communicate something to you, guys. And for some of you, if you are in a separation, maybe this person you were in relationship with, your past person, they may come to visit you today, guys. Or it may be something like a coincidence, or it may be something like a plan. Maybe they have planned this, your ex person. So they are coming to visit you. Definitely, guys. So we picked one card for your relationship. So it is Two of Pentacles. So again, this card stands for some positive news or some kind of a news in your circumstance. Maybe you are trying to adapt yourself in your life, in your circumstances, trying to be really flexible. Maybe if you are already in a connection, you are trying to do your best. That is what we were talking about. Trying to adapt to this person, have a positive, meaningful relationship with them. But if you are in a separation, you are getting some good news, guys. Maybe this person is visiting you for a reason, and this relationship may take off once again. Maybe with the past person, your relationship may take off once again. So for your career situation, Cancers, we have 5 of Pentacles in reverse. So there are some obstacles you need to overcome, guys, in your work situation. There may be some challenges you are seeing, and you are putting in a lot of efforts, and you need not worry, guys. Your efforts will never be wasted. So hard work will pay off. May not be today, but it will surely pay off someday. So you need not worry, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading with these cards, Cancers, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is your first card. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, Snow White and Rose Red, Sister Love. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe you have a very loving and caring family and people who trust you, people who are truly concerned about you, and you need to appreciate the things in your life, guys. Maybe this family, the people you have, and the blessings you have. When you appreciate the blessings you have already, and when you are happy for whatever is there with you, you are going to have that peace, happiness and contentment in your heart, and that happiness is going to radiate in all the facets of your life. So when you are feeling really blessed for this friendship you have with the people you love, maybe your parents, sibling or friends, or it may be even people in your work, the friendship you have, and when you find that happiness with them, when you try to find the blessing in any situation, just like finding the gem in the dirt and a star in the dark night. So whatever good quality these people have, or whatever goodness you feel from them, when you appreciate that, you are going to be more stronger, you are going to feel more strengthened. And maybe each and every one of us, we have the darker aspects of human nature and the brighter aspects. We have the negative things like anger and resentment inside us, but we should not reject that, guys. We must just accept it with honesty. When we do that, we are going to see so much happiness and abundance flowing in our situation, and we are going to strengthen the bond we have with the people we love. And the way we are cheerful, the way we are happy with the things we have today. Maybe appreciate the blessings that we have. Many more blessings are or will flow towards us, guys, when we are happy for what we have today. And when we are doing good, we are only getting goodness back to us. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So for those who chose the second card, this card, let's see what it is. And it is bronzite. So it is a crystal spirit card, guys. So maybe in your circumstances, maybe in this relationship, you were betrayed in the past and it was too much for you to handle, a lot of pain, a lot of sadness. But this crystal spirit reminds you that you can be much more wiser, you can be much more stronger today by extending trust once again, maybe in this relationship. But it may be quite challenging based on your past experience. You feel that you cannot trust anyone. But this crystal spirit cards tell you that you need to be really mindful of the signs. Maybe sometimes you may see sign for you to move back in a relationship, maybe take a step back and nurture yourself. When you see that, you must do that. But this card asks you to trust this person again, maybe give them another chance. It may be the past person or it may be this present person. So your past should not change the way you are seeing your present love, your present situation. So you need to be true to yourself, true, honest to yourself first. So what you truly feel in your heart of hearts, when you do that, you are going to be honest with that other person. And when you build that loving relationship with yourself, you will be able to build that loving and respectful relationship with another person. And remember, guys, you are always protected when you are divinely directed. So you must do the right thing you feel deep down in your heart. So whatever you feel is the honest choice or that honest decision, you must stand for that, guys. So your loyalty and steadfastness is what will be rewarded by the universe. So universe is here to guide you if you are really truthful. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.